So a number of things going on. First, we get out here as raining cats and dogs when we got here. The box truck is parked in. Copart won't load the truck for us. You can't do any work on Copart property. So Seth called around to a couple local businesses, tow truck driver operators, small shops, and he may have worked a deal for getting the truck towed to a shop's parking lot and have us strip the parts off right there, and then give the truck body as salvage value to pay for doing all that. So we'd strip the batteries right off there and anything else we can, probably in a couple hours tomorrow morning. So we'll see if this goes through or not, but it's definitely been interesting. So that's our tow truck driver. Seems like a cool guy. Looks like there's a deal worked out with using some tools and stripping some parts, doing some work exchanging, transporting and tool use and everything for the rest of the parts of the truck. This is how close we are. The truck's literally all set up on a wrecker. It just cannot drive out through that gate over there until it's paid for. It's 5 o'clock. Seth's been trying to get this wire transfer through all day and it hasn't gone through. So this whole truck, it's all ready to go, except looks like the wire transfer went through, but actually getting to the broker and the broker paying it doesn't look like it's happening. $5 o'clock on a Friday afternoon. Sorry, too bad. Yep. And we're gonna close the gate right behind us. I think we're literally the last ones out of here. They're closing the gate behind us. There's like an electric fence. Yep, guys closing the gate behind us. Sorry, man. Just turned into a much longer trip.